Hi, we're back with another Me Moment. Today we'd like to talk to you about Safco's standalone stool. Take a stand on comfort and make sure it's a part of your workday. With the standalone stool, you can find the perfect adjustment for your height because the seat adjusts manually to 10 different positions at 1 and 1/4 inch intervals. This stool also offers amazing comfort, featuring a large contoured seat with lower back support and waterfall front, while the manually adjustable spring suspension seat frame automatically tilts forward up to 15 degrees. And with its triangular heavy gauge steel tubular base and frame, a built-in footrest, and rubber anti-skid feet, the standalone stool is impressively sturdy and durable, making it perfect for receiving, assembly, production, and inspection jobs. If you find yourself getting up and sitting down several times a day, look to the standalone stool for undeniable support and comfort. This has been another Me Moment. Please join us again to find out how Safco can help you work hard and play harder.